Saging pa. Hi, Falcon. Thank you so much always. Banana. Thank you for your always sharing your blessing. Bless you. Greg Gago. Thank you, Greg. Thank you so much. Hindi ko pa nakukuha na po-post yung mga bigay nito. Thank you very much. Have a good night, lady. Other guys too. Good night, Falcon. Me and Falcon, we are same time. Greg Gago. Good night. See you. See you. And thanks a lot, Falcon. Good night. Have a sweet dreams. Bless you. Every time you give me surprise, huh? But who wants to eat the other banana? I feel hungry. Guys want to eat this other banana. So I brought two, if maybe just in case someone wants to join with me this. You can eat. I'm hungry. It's starving, guys. Banana with coffee. So I'm gonna eat banana with coffee. Greg, bye. You can eat too. No, I'll not eat two now. So, good night, Lady Mani. Uy, why? Greg, you will sleep now, Greg. Greg, you will sleep now. I'll sit down because I'll eat first banana. Uy, see you later, Falcon from Greg Gago. Greg Gago. Greg Gago. Greg Gago. I love you all. Peanut family, melon family. And there's Sonny. Hi, beautiful tattoo girl. Thank you so much. Greg, why? What happened? 117 people. Thank you. Guys, let's eat banana na. I'm starving. Still, I didn't cook rice. Still, I didn't cook rice. So, let's eat. I'm getting off now. Oh, okay, Greg. No problem. You're tired. Take a rest. Paul, hello. How are you today? Love you. Paul, thank you. For Paul, 92 people. I'm gonna eat first banana, okay? I guess I get hungry a little bit. Greg, let's eat banana. Raju, hello. Did Jaja hurt you yesterday? I give for Greg unlimited massage. Banana. Eat tayo. Let's eat. Yeah. When you are hungry, still when you don't have still food, you can eat just banana. What do you do? Maybe that's why unlimited massage. Yeah, I'll give Greg unlimited massage. The banana already very sweet. You have got beautiful eyes. Thank you so much, Paul. 87 people. Thank you so much. Last bite.